In this video lecture, we solve a problem based on heat balance sheet. A given question is, a 4-stroke petrol engine has a 6 single acting cylinder of 7.5 cm bore and 9 cm stroke. The engine is coupled to a brake having a torque arm radius of 38 cm at 3300 revolution per minute with all cylinder operating. The net brake load is 324 Newton. When each cylinder is cut off, the remaining 5 cylinder is 245 Newton. Estimate the indicated mean effective pressure of cylinder. With all cylinder operating, the fuel consumption is 0.3 kg per minute. Fuel calorific value CV is 42000 kilojoule per kg. Water flow rate and temperature rise up are 65 kg per minute and 12 degrees Celsius. Ventilating air blow up through the box at the rate of 14 kg per minute, enter at 10 degrees Celsius and leave at 55 degrees Celsius. Draw up a heat balance sheet. First of all, we find out the BP, means brake power, when all cylinders are working. So this BP is find when all the 6 cylinder is working. BP is equal to 2 pi NT. Putting the value 2 pi N means number of revolution 3300. Converting revolution per minute means RPM to RPS, dividing by 60 into torque. Torque is a load into brake radius. Load when the 6 cylinder is working is 324 and radius is 0.38. Converting in kilowatt, dividing BP value to 1000. After calculating this, BP of 6 cylinder is found 42.55 kilowatt. After that, we've cut off one cylinder and finding the BP of remaining 5 cylinder. BP formula is same, 2 pi NT. Putting all the values, 2 pi N is 3300, converting RPM into RPS divided by 60, and when 5 cylinder is operating, load is 245 converted into torque, load into radius, and this value is in watt, converting in kilowatt by dividing 1000. After this, we calculating this and BP of 5 cylinder is given 32.17 kilowatt. After that, we found the IP. IP of cutoff cylinder. When one cylinder is not running, then this value is the IP of one cylinder. So IP of cutoff cylinder is equal to BP of 6 cylinder minus BP of 5 cylinder. Putting both the values, we found the IP of cutoff cylinder is 10.38 kilowatt. After this, we founding the IP of whole engine, means 6 cylinder. So total IP of 6 cylinder is IP equal to 6 into IP of cutoff cylinder. 6 cutoff cylinder IP is 10.38. So calculating this, IP is 62.38 kilowatt. After calculating IP, we found the value of indicated mean effective pressure. So IP, formula of IP equal to indicated mean effective pressure into AL N by 2 for a single cylinder engine. And this question 6 cylinder, so multiplying number of cylinder, then IP is indicated mean effective pressure into AL N by 2 into number of cylinder. This is for 4-stroke engine. 4-stroke engine N by 2 and 2-stroke engine is only N. We will find the indicated mean effective pressure. Indicated mean effective pressure, this is equal to IP divided by AL N by 2 into number of cylinder. We putting all the values. IP is 62.28 and 1000 multiplying, because of this value is kilowatt, we convert into watt. Area is pi by 4 d square. D is a bore. Bore is a 7.5 centimeter. Centimeter is converted to meter, 0.075 का whole square into stroke length. Stroke length is 9 centimeter. Stroke length is 9 centimeter, converted centimeter into meter, 0.09 into RPM 3300 divided by 2 for a 4-cylinder engine and converted into RPS divided by 60 into number of cylinder 6. After calculating this indicated mean effective pressure, we found 9.5 into 10 ka power 5 Newton per meter square and converted into bar. So 1 bar equal to 10 ka power 5 Newton per meter square. So indicated mean effective pressure is 9.5 bar. After finding the indicated mean effective pressure, we draw heat balance sheet. First of all, we found the heat input at engine. Heat input is mass of fuel into calorific value. Mass of fuel is 0.3 kg per second, kg per minute, into calorific value is 42000. After calculating, we found 12600 kilojoule per minute. This unit is very important. Okay. Unit of mass flow rate is kg per minute, or CV unit is kilojoule per kg. So kg cancel out, or unit of heat input is kilojoule per minute. This heat is a 100% of heat. After this, we found this 100% heat is utilized different form. First of all, heat is converted into BP. BP is 42.55 kilojoule per second, means kilowatt. We convert kilojoule per second into kilojoule per minute, multiplying 60. We multiplying in 60 kilojoule per second means kilowatt into kilojoule per minute. This value is 2553. This BP is 20.3% of total heat. After this, total heat is utilized in heating in cooling water. Cooling water heat utilized is mass of water into Cp of water into change in temperature. So mass of water is 65, Cp of water is 4.1868 and temperature difference is 12. After calculating, we found 3265.7 kilojoule per minute. This is 25.9% of total heat. After calculating heating in cooling water, heat of ventilating air. Ventilating air heat is mass of air into Cp of air into heat difference. Mass of air is given 14 kg per minute. Cp we assume 1.005 and temperature difference, air leave in 55 degrees Celsius or enter in 10. After calculating, we found 633.15 kilojoule per minute. This is 5% of total heat. This is the value given in question. But we calculating BP, cooling water and vent air. Adding this, we found a value 51.2% of total heat. But remainder heat is uncounted loss or heating through exhaust or other uncounted loss. So uncounted loss value is 6148.15 kilojoule per minute and it is 48.8% of total heat. So this mapping of heat is a heat balance sheet. Thank you. If any doubt, we contact through phone or WhatsApp. Thank you. Personal WhatsApp. Thank you.